Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to cut or to get the Withering Core for the Withering Rod quest. So it has just released a brand new forgotten rarity rod called the Withering Rod, and to unlock it you will need to complete several quests. One of those quests requires you to cut the Withering Core, and this core can only be caught in this Copper Canyon Mines area, the new area in this update. But just keep in mind this its index entry only appears after you have completed part 1 of the Withering Rod quest. So make sure you already complete the first quest, and then there's also another important requirement. This Withering Core starts at around 900,000 kilograms, which means making it one of the heaviest cards in this game, and because of that you will need the diamond rod to cut it. So before attempting this quest, make sure you have already completed the diamond rod missions and unlock the rod. And once you have the diamond rod, just head to the Copper Canyon Mines, this area, and then just start fishing and just keep trying until you finally reel in the Withering Cores to progress the quest. And okay, that's everything you need to know about this Withering Core. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!